I've already started this project, but I thought I'd stop and show you what I'm doing. So this is a plug for a sewing machine. It has this little contact on the inside of it, and apparently whoever owned it before me lost one of them. And so I'm trying to put this thing back together. It's a vintage sewing machine. I'd like it to have the same plug. The new ones are kind of molded rubber and just look really cheap and new. And so I'd like to fix this one. So I need to make one of these. And so I took a sheet of brass and I put marker on there, and then I took this and laid it down and I scribed all the way around it. Now I don't know if you can see that very well, but that's what I'm dealing with right there. All right, so now I'm gonna try to cut this out and we'll see how it goes. Got this little V block, got my jeweler's saw. So here's the piece I cut. So now I gotta bend these ears up. Okay, so here it is finished. It's kind of mangled, but it kind of looks like the original. These little forks right here pierce the wire. You run a wire through here and it pierces into it. That's the theory of those. I did slide it onto the pin that it's going to go onto, and it does fit really well. So I think that's going to work.